Hello and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you a stitch, a very easy stitch, 2 rows repeat. It's very easy even for you guys, the beginners. The link for this tutorial with the stitch will be in the comment section. I will pin the link. So if you like, you can give it a try. So this stitch is for members. So if you want this stitch, you will have to join the membership. This is the front of the work, and this is the back. Even the back looks nice. But it's so easy for a blanket, especially for spring, autumn, and even for winter if you use a chunky yarn, a thick one. For a table runner, for example, if you like, it's quite easy. But, you know, just check the link in the description. I will put in the description and in the comment section. I will pin it, so you can join the members and you can access this stitch. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.